everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about the first use pack. This version is the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. So let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to leave me any comments or questions you have down below. Hit that join button because we have some amazing membership perks on there that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items. So be sure to head on over to that website after this video is finished. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at some shoes in the first use pack. We're going to go through the overview, then we're going to talk about size and fit on these Nike Dunk Highs. Then we're going to move into styling. I had so much fun styling these shoes. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. Let's jump into the overview. This is such a nice pop of color, definitely a lot of red going on. So let's start with the upper of the shoe. We've got just nice leather upper here that's intermixed with some really just smooth red suede. As we work our way up, you'll notice that we've got the dual laces in the red and white, which I think pops quite nicely off of this just simple red nylon tongue. One of my favorite parts of the shoe is this just nice but subtle detail, and that is this lace lock system that they've added in this metallic gold, and it actually has a little diamond stud in there, which is, you know, nice little bling, something different. Then we've got the Nike in the white for the branding there with the swoosh mark at the top, and then just more red suede on those eyelets. So let's take a look at those details before we move on to the side panels. So working our way to the side panels. This is probably the most intricate portion of the side panel, which is where it says first use June 18, 1971, which is paying homage to Carolyn Davidson, and she was the one who actually created the swoosh, and that was the first time it was used to represent Nike. And it's nicely embroidered in white, which I think really pops off of both the suede in that red color tone as well as the underlays of that red leather. The only disappointment that I did find is on this side. If you notice looking up close, my date is all messed up. It's like the 1 is not there, and there's like a line through the 1, 9, and 7. So definitely manufacturing error on that one. You can see that there's actually glue on top. I feel like they tried to fix it, but I mean, that's pretty much the most significant part about the shoe, and that's to basically pay homage and to celebrate 50 years since the swoosh was created, which is pretty crazy to think it's been 50 years since Nike started using the swoosh on their shoes. Let's make our way into the insole. We've actually got different Nike logos in there as well with the different years, which is really cool. I actually am obsessed with this insole. So we've got all the different years, and it's really cool to see like how the swoosh mark and the Nike logo has really transitioned over time, and they're doing a good job with that on the insole. Working our way to the other side of the side panel, again, just underlays of that nice crisp red leather, and you'll notice that it's actually different. So this is embroidered on this side of the shoe. On the other side panel, it's just a simple white swoosh mark. So we've got the differing swooshes on each side. The shoe is then completed with a simple white midsole and a red outsole. Let's take a final look at all those details. All right, let's talk about sizing on these Nike Dunk highs. I went true to size, so I was a 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. I would say stick true to size on these ones. I do like to wear my shoes on the larger size, so I do feel like I have plenty of extra space in that toe box region. For those of you who don't know my foot type, I do have high arch, narrow feet. So if you do have wide feet that are flat, you may actually end up going with a size that works differently than mine, but I would recommend staying true to size on this one. All right, let's work our way into the styling section. All right, let's get into styling. This is definitely a lot of red going on, but I definitely wanted to accent these shoes with some red pieces, you know, here and there. So for the first look, I decided to wear some just deeper red colored shorts, and those were just a sweatpant material. And then I paired that with just a nice cream, simple hooded sweatshirt. And I think that the red definitely pulled from the red accents in the shoe quite nicely, but the cream also just gave it a little dimension, which I really liked. And today it started pouring outside, so that was just a nice kind of cozy look to wear indoors. For the second look, I decided to wear a red ribbed tank top, and I tucked that into just some light denim jeans, which I think light denim jeans are great because it sets the backdrop for just such a nice kind of potent color. For the last look, I decided to wear some just simple Levi's navy jeans, and I paired that with a Stussy hat and a cropped polo t-shirt, which was striped in a nice, just simple red color way. let me know out of those 3 looks, what was your favorite out of the 3, and how would you decide to style these? All right, now let's conclude with the resale on the Dunks. So starting with the University Red, these both retailed at $120. The red is going between $140 on the lower end to $185, and the sales also retailed at $120 are going between $133 to $190. So not too crazy of a price point. Obviously, these got postponed on the Sneakers app, so definitely, you know, if you really want these, it's not too crazy a price point over the retail market value. I do think that the sales are doing a little bit better, a little bit more of a popular color, but hopefully you will take W's and be able to buy these for retail on the sneaker app if these are shoes that you want to add to your sneaker collection. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning into this review and unboxing. Again, if you were new to the channel today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up, as they do mean the world to the channel. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that join button because we do have some amazing membership perks. I'm telling you, you're not going to want to miss out on those, as well as a great shade store. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next one.